Your phone is the key to letting guests into your property with CellGate. But have you ever missed a CellGate call because our number got mistakenly blocked on your phone? Let's avoid that frustration. Whether you're an iPhone aficionado or an Android enthusiast, here's how to ensure our calls come through seamlessly for both types of users. And if you need more assistance, feel free to reach out to your service provider for additional troubleshooting tips. Before diving into a few iPhone and Android tips, a crucial first step is to add CellGate to your contacts. This simple action ensures you'll promptly recognize incoming calls and avoid mistaking them for spam. Now let's jump into some other tips. For iPhone users, unlock your iPhone and head to your settings. Tap on Settings to access your phone settings. Scroll down and select Phone. Look for Silence Unknown Callers. Toggle the switch to turn off Silence Unknown Callers. For Android users, unblocking calls on Android can vary based on your device. Start by accessing call settings from your call logs. Search for options like Call Blocking and View Blocked Calls. You may find an option in your phone app to click on the three dots in the top right corner. Click Settings, then click Block Numbers, then toggle the block calls from unknown numbers to off. Or alternatively, to unblock our number, go to your call history, click on our phone number, then click Unblock Number. A confirmation message will pop up and click Unblock again. At this point, we recommend adding our number as a contact. That's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure our number remains unblocked on your phone, helping you stay connected and never miss another CellGate call. If you have any questions, please contact our dedicated CellGate support team. As always, thank you for being a part of the CellGate family.